Hello guys, welcome back to the channel once again. Today in this video I want to show you how to install Android Studio on your PC and also create your first application and then display the visual side of your application. So stay tuned to the end of the video. So if you haven't yet installed or download the Android Studio, go ahead and download it. So this is the Android Studio, then you will click on it for the setup. So right click on it. Now I have an old version of the the application already, so they want us to they want to update the old version of the application. So what I need to do is to click on next and click on yes. Now click on next again, click on next, then I click on install. So this is the setup of the Android Studio. So we wait a while for it to complete. Now we click on next again and click on finish. And I've already created some few projects on it. So let's say this is your first time to create a project on Android Studio. You go to the option that says new project, you right click on that, then you select any of these templates that you want to use. So let's say I want to use this template. So I'll select that one, then I give my application a title. So let's say the name of my application is wallpaper. Then I'll click on finish. That is if I want to use the Java language to develop this application. If I don't want, I can use Kotlin, but I'll maintain it as it is. So I'll use Java to develop this application. And you can see here too, the package is already done. We have com.example.wallpaper. So it's also complete. So now we click on finish. So you can see here it's scanning files to index. Also you can see here they're giving us tips so that it can help us do or develop the application smoothly. So if you want more tips, you can click on next. so that I'll continue to show you more tips. If you don't want, you can click on close, then they will close that for you. Now you can see this is the application. You can test it right here. So this is how your first application will look like. If you take this template, if you want to run the code, you can go to this option and run the application. If you want to test it, you can test it as well. So you can use your PC to test it. You can use a mobile phone to test the application as well. So we are going to use mobile phone to do a testing. So you can see this is how your application will look like. If you click here, this is the home button. The home button this, and this is to close the application. You can rotate it anyhow you wish. So this is how you you install Android Studio and then create your first application on Android Studio. So I hope this is helpful to you. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified as soon as possible. Thank you for coming to this channel, and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.